If your Roomba vacuum cleaner continually indicates that the bin needs to be emptied, there are several potential reasons for this issue. The problem could be due to dirty sensors, a clog in the channel leading into the dustbin, or the need for new clean base bags. To address these issues, start by cleaning the sensors. Locate the square-shaped black modules at the base of the Roomba and gently remove any dirt or pet fur using a soft cloth. After cleaning the sensors, monitor the Roomba to see if the issue persists. If the sensors still fail to work optimally, they may require professional internal cleaning. Next, inspect the channel leading into the bin by pulling out the dustbin and checking for any debris or dirt that may be causing a blockage. Remove any obstructing material and also check the dustbin's high-efficiency filter. Gently tapping it against a garbage can to remove any dirt. Additionally, consider replacing the clean base bags. Lift the canister lid, pull out the plastic cord, and remove the old bag. Replace it with a new one, sliding the plastic cord into the guide rails and ensuring it is firmly secured. It is recommended to replace the bags every 2 months. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a technician for further assistance. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to identify and fix the problem with your Roomba's empty the bin notification.